Hey there, everybody. Guess what? I am sitting here at the workbench, and the dog is sitting under my seat. Now she heard me talking, so now she's moving. There you are. All right, there's the dog. So, giving you a quick update here on this Chrysler Concorde and a really cool stash shot I got. So, this Concorde here, last time we talked, I was talking about how I was messing up with the trim mark on the car, and it was failing epically. And then I recently just screwed up the black, and it just smeared all across the body. So, as far as I'm concerned, this one is out of here. So, that got thrown behind me. So, I got a stash shade here. This is really cool. Recently had a birthday, and my girlfriend got me a really, really cool model. Now, I've never done one of these before.
You're welcome.
She said, "You're welcome." Love you. What about 32? Oh, I thought you said 32.
You're an idiot.
You know we're filming.
I know.
Oh, cool. All right. So, there we go. So, I got this really cool Foxy Box. Sounds sexy. The Foxy Box 70s custom van, AMT. I've never done a van before. I've always wanted to do a van. Never done a van before. So, this is really cool. I love this. I took the stuff out of the box here, and I can't get the van back into the box. So, this is really, really sharp. I like this. So, I'm thinking I kind of want to do something similar to the box here. They call this on the side a metallic copper with some silver. So I'm going to do something very, very similar because I like that. I think it's cool. Got the 70s vibe to it. The 70s sexy Foxy Box Giga T. So, yeah, I like that. So I'm going to do something similar to that. So that may be the next one, considering the other car. The other car got thrown behind me there because I just decided to finish it right as this video was speaking. I also got, and I built this one before, and I probably should have had this available for the video, but the Revell 68 Chevelle SS396. I built this one before. This is really cool. Yeah, this is really cool. Hey, I'd be willing to trade somebody with this one. So, I don't know. Offer your trades, I guess. But I did this one before, and I had a slideshow video back in the day of it. So let me real quickly walk you over here. And, oh, it's in the dark. You can't see it. But did a white one with a red top on it. With cool Krager rims on it. Did that one back in the day. I apologize for no light there. But that was cool. Oh, I just walked away. As you see, we're doing this on the fly.
Sorry, I'm sure.
But now it's going to... So... Yeah, that was cool. Did it with the red top there. That's sharp. Really, really like the way that one came out. Really, really like that. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
So, like I said, I'd be willing to offer a trade for another Revell kit of a similar series if anybody's looking for this and anybody has something that maybe interests me. So, put that off to the side. So my next build here is definitely going to be this Foxy Box. So, yeah, I'm looking very excited for that. So, unfortunately, the Concorde did not come out. Maybe I'll go back to that later. I don't know. But anyways, that's my video for today, and I'm sticking to it. So, thank you for watching my video and listening to me ramble. Dog, say goodbye. Dog, stop sniffing your butt. Hey. Oh, there she goes. All right. So, everybody... Take care of yourselves. Oh, dog's doing circles. Hey, run in circles again. Say hi. There you go. How you doing? Yeah. Say goodbye to the happy people. No? All right, there you go. All right. So, everybody, I'll talk to you guys later. Take care of yourselves.